Okay, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on annotations. You can't actually do annotations anymore on YouTube, but there is kind of a workaround, and I'm going to show you that real quick. So I'm going to walk myself into one of my editors right now. So I made a mistake on one of these videos that somebody called out on, and I said the wrong thing. So I'm going to basically go through, I'm going to go into the editor mode. So you're going to log into your account and you're going to get to this page where the video is, whatever video you want. If you have an error in there or something that you want to say and you can't actually say it because annotations are gone, this is the workaround that you can do. So you're going to go down, you're going to hit add a card. It's going to take you to your video. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So up here at around 103, I said something like NVIDIA, and the guy writes on my page, you said the wrong thing. So I'm going to add a card. I'm going to head down. I'm going to create a poll, and the question is, yep, I meant AMD, not NVIDIA. And then you're going to ask them a question. This will keep them interactive. Did you get it? No, I don't get it. So I'm going to create a card. Bing, bing, bing. And I'm going to drag that card wherever I need it, which is somewhere in the 103 mark. Somewhere around 10, I'll put it around 104 just to be safe. There we go, 104. And of course, if you need to. Okay, so now that's it. So simple as that. So basically, you've just now added a little annotation. So when it goes through, there it is. See, here it is, right up here. Anyway, that's a quick workaround. Keeps people interactive. Give it a try. Annotations are gone. We got to do the best we can. Anyway, hope this video helps. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button below. And if you have a comment or an idea that works even better than this, let me know. I'll share it.